is John Piper with the weekend video clip, and it's Saturday the 3rd of October. A brief look at Bitcoin. Still got this ABC developing. The A is an irregular A. The B, I think, still has one more wave to come. A, B, and C. Not mandatory, but seems likely. And the C wave is, I think, going to test this key trend line I've been discussing before. So I think it moved down to around 9,000. Break below 10. We've got these two spikes, I think 2 or 3 spikes here at the 10,000 level, just below it, in fact. So I think that's liable to break, and we're going to test this trend line again. Hopefully that will hold. There are other alternatives. I've discussed that during the week, though. But that's Bitcoin at the moment. Ethereum, the same thing. We've got the 5 O's up from the virus lows. Then you've got the A, although it's a normal A, not an irregular A. The B, I think a bit of extension is quite likely there. And then a C wave decline with around 240, where C would equal A approximately, and that's also a 61.8% level. So around the 240 level, I think, is a liable low. And within the next few weeks, really, so we've still got to wait a bit longer, but the chart patterns are pretty clear right now. Gold had the ABC developing, so I mean, we've got the same kind of pattern on the cryptos and on the precious metals, A, B, and C. I mean, the low could be in there, but I did look at the wave structure of this rally on Thursday's report, and it doesn't look impulsive. It could be, but I think a little bit more is the most likely outcome at this point. But this does need watching, certainly, because it could be an impulsive move up. Turn to the DAX. Looks to me like we've seen an ABC decline here on the DAX. That's from the peak at the beginning of September, so A, B, C. This is like new impulsive action, so a 1 and a 2. So I'm inclined to see more upside on the equities in coming weeks at the moment. I had expected a bigger decline, but that hasn't transpired. We have the election, I guess, coming up in November. Trump's now being carted off to some kind of hospital, I think. Have to see what effect that has on the whole affair. But certainly on the DAX, it looks like we've got a rally coming in next week. That could, of course, change, but that certainly looks pretty clear at the moment. Same with FTSE, really. We've seen quite a big correction down to here. It looks like a 1, quite a deep 2, but now another rally coming in. So again, I'm looking for more upside on FTSE as well over the coming weeks. A similar pattern on the Dow with a corrective A, B, C. And now we've got 5 waves up, which is somewhat different from the other counts. So we could see an A, B, and a C wave decline to start the week. And clearly any move down here would change that situation. But it looks a fairly solid 5. It's just that this move here looks like it may need one more decline. The other markets argue that we're going to go straight up, really, but the Dow does suggest a bit more downside first. So I guess it could react to Trump more, but that's the way the charts are looking at the moment. Finally, a quick look at the Nasdaq. Again, we've got an ABC decline, just the decline is over, followed by a 1, 2. This could be a 3, 4, and a 5 wave rally, perhaps. I mean, actually, the 1 is overlapped by the wave 4, which shouldn't actually happen. So maybe this is all part of a 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Or maybe this is actually the low of the decline. We've got 5 rows up, in fact, in that case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, B, C, which could be complete effect on the Nasdaq. Looks less so on the Dow. But in any case, all these markets are saying similar things, really, that the major move for now is to the upside. Whether they're actually started or not, that's what we're looking for the next week or two. That's all today. I hope that was useful. Back to the report on Tuesday for subscribers. Have a great weekend. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.